Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page in Angular for beginners in 2024. So today, we're going to learn or to create a login page using Angular. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and will help you understand the basics of Angular development. So follow along as we build a simple yet effective login page. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. So for a beginner, you normally or you should use an AI tool called ChatGPT. You probably know it. So go to this URL section, type openai.com, hit the enter button. Make sure to log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, go and create a new one. And make sure, of course, to go and use Google as an example, Microsoft, or even Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you are here as an example, you can just type like, I wanna create a login page in Angular. Sorry. So in Angular, can you help me? I am a beginner. Give me the code and everything as example. So, and everything here. So then hit the enter. Of course, we're gonna open a new tab, go to Angular also. So type Angular here. Make sure to go here and you'll find yourself in their home page also. So you can go to the playground and start like example, entering whatever you want. So here, of course, you'll find the preview of everything that you want from main TS, from HTML and CSS. So an example, here, of course, like, okay, let me just add another info. I am using Angular as example in the web. So just to keep that in mind as an example. So here, so just, so can you give me an example? So the code for web Angular. As simple as that. As you can see, I had to do nothing. They basically did everything. So this is going to be the HTML. This is the TypeScript. And yeah, so okay, I'll just go and copy this HTML, go here to HTML, change that in here, and go back here to TypeScripts, which is the main, type that here, and basically CSS, what's about game CSS dot CSS as example. You're asking like style and etc. Yeah, I want that also. So I'll just wait for it, copy, go here, do this and this. And let me just wait for the preview. What it will be like. Of course, if you still have any issues, like as you can see in here, I'll just go. As you can see, there's nothing in preview. In the console, I'll just scroll down to the bottom. And as an example, of course, you can simply add other things like other than that if you want to. If you don't want to, you can simply delete it. For example, I'll just name it something like that. Of course, you can delete it if you want to. You can even delete this CSS if you don't want styling or something like that. And yeah, so as we said, application like failed and etc. So I'll just go and copy that code and paste it in ChatGPT and see what we're going to get. So, but okay, so but nothing shows in the preview. So okay, I'll just type that from beginning. So let's start from beginning as an example. Give me the main.cs and game.html and game.css for a login page, for a simple login page as example, for a simple login page. So, okay, I'll just type bit TypeScript. Okay, we'll start from the beginning. Why not? Type that in here. HTML, that's in here, and CSS, put that in here, and let's see if it's all good. So, okay, seems like there's still something wrong in here. Okay, is that's changing? So changing depending on whatever it is. So I'll just go here and type that. So I'll just do this and enter that or send him that and see what he's coming back with me. It seems like there might be an issue, as example, with the import statements in the main TS file. So let's correct it. Just click on copy code, go back here, main TS, enter that in here. So example, update this import statements. So it's basically changed nothing, I guess. Let me just go and hit the Control Z. So yeah, just added some add type declare for error as example. So yeah, okay, I'll just go here and do this again. As you can see, for a beginner, you don't have to have knowledge or something like that. Basically, just go back and to ChatGPT and to basically start doing things for you. As you can see, if you still get an error, they'll basically tell you for some stuff to change. As example, check Angular version, verify project structure, check dependencies, ensure that your package JSON. So wait, I'll just tell him like something. So the last code that you gave me is this same. So nothing. That's why example. So that's why there are still errors in there. So errors in there as example. So let me just go and do that. So as you can see here, it's telling me to go to the bash and install or install like some stuff, but I'm using this on just the web. So this should not be a problem as an example, or normally should not be a problem. This is game components, HTML of course, like game components, CSS, and etc. So let me just go here and check that. So, an example, I'll just go here to this console and try to copy those code. So, I'll just go here and do this. Copy the whole code as example, or the whole error, and simply enter it here. Okay, it did not get copied. It's fine. So, I'll just go here, copy, make sure it's copied, come back here. So, yeah, it's copied right now. What about this example? So, yeah, he's telling me it seems like the same stuff. So can you like give me code from beginning? And maybe like there is something off in the code as an example and etc. And keep going like step by step with it. So let me just go wait. So this is the HTML again. I'll just try for the last time. And of course you can keep doing that by your own. So I'll just go with that. HTML for CSS it's going to be this one. So I'll just go here, enter this, and for the TypeScript, it's going to be this. Then I'll just go here and enter it. So it seems like at least now we get just one error, at least. So I'll just go and enter that. At least now we're getting one error. So your login as example, a component in TypeScript looks good. It defined a component class with properties, username, etc. Here's the background for each part. And here, as you can see, you'll just have to follow those steps. Example for a beginner. All you need to do, of course, like I did not like get it through because I'm just not even reading what he's saying. I'm just like keeping telling him stuff. So I probably, if you follow like what he said here, step by step, you will probably get your login page ready to go, and you will not have the problems anymore. So I guess that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.